Can artificial intelligence boost your business profits? That's the question John Smith tackles in his book, Artificial Intelligence: Real Profits. This isn't merely an academic discourse on AI. Smith dives headfirst into the practical side of things, exploring how businesses can harness AI technologies to drive growth, increase efficiency, and optimize operations. The book's premise is simple yet profound. AI can be a game-changer in business profitability. Smith breaks down this vast topic into 5 digestible sections, each shedding light on a specific aspect of AI in business. The first section lays the groundwork, helping readers understand what AI truly is. From there, Smith explores the impact of AI on business, its role in fostering innovation, how to implement AI strategies effectively, and finally, a glimpse into the future of AI. So let's delve into these sections to find out how AI can revolutionize your business. Smith starts off by demystifying artificial intelligence, breaking down its complexities into understandable concepts. He takes us on a journey through the fascinating world of AI, explaining its fundamentals and highlighting its transformative power. Smith makes it clear that AI isn't just about robots and sci-fi movies. It's a tool, a technology that can be harnessed to drive efficiency, productivity, and profitability in business. In the first 2 sections of the book, Understanding AI and The Impact of AI on Business, Smith provides us with a comprehensive understanding of AI's potential. He delves into how AI can revolutionize various sectors, from healthcare to finance, retail to manufacturing. Smith discusses how AI can automate mundane tasks, aid decision-making, and even predict future trends, thereby redefining the way businesses operate. As Smith elaborates, the potential of AI in business is enormous, but understanding how to harness its power is crucial. Once we grasp the potential of AI, how do we integrate it into our businesses? This question is at the heart of John Smith's Artificial Intelligence: Real Profits. Smith's powerful insights into AI and innovation, implementing AI strategies, and the future of AI are the focus of the last 3 sections of his compelling book. Smith asserts that innovation is the lifeblood of business growth, and AI is the beating heart that pumps this lifeblood. By harnessing the power of AI, businesses can revolutionize their operations, creating new products and services that exceed customer expectations. Smith encourages businesses to embrace the potential of AI, but not without due diligence and strategic planning. Moving on to the implementation of AI strategies, Smith provides a roadmap for businesses. He emphasizes the need for a clear vision, a strategy that aligns with business goals, and a team that can execute it. Smith believes that an effective AI strategy is not just about adopting the latest technology, but about understanding how it can solve existing problems, enhance operations, and create new opportunities. To prepare for the future of AI, Smith urges businesses to stay informed, flexible, and ready to adapt. As AI technology evolves, so too must business models and strategies. Smith highlights the importance of continuous learning, staying abreast of AI developments, and cultivating a culture of innovation. He warns businesses not to be complacent, as the AI landscape is ever-changing, and those who fail to adapt risk being left behind. Smith's vision of the future is one where AI and human intelligence coexist, complementing each other to drive business growth and profitability. He believes that businesses that embrace AI, foster innovation, and are prepared to evolve with the technology will be the ones to reap the greatest rewards. As we head into an AI-driven future, Smith leaves us with the tools and knowledge to make the most of this powerful technology. We're not just spectators in this AI revolution, but active participants shaping our future. And with Smith's guidance, we can navigate this frontier with confidence and a clear vision for success. In Artificial Intelligence: Real Profits, John Smith provides an insightful guide to leveraging AI for business success. He masterfully unravels the complexities of artificial intelligence, taking readers on a journey through its role in business, innovation, and strategy implementation. Smith paints a compelling picture of the transformative power of AI, showing us how it can drive growth, boost efficiency, and optimize operations. He backs up his theoretical concepts with practical examples, making the book a treasure trove of real-world applications of AI. But what really stands out is the book's accessibility. Whether you're a tech whiz or a business enthusiast, Smith's writing style ensures you grasp the essence of AI and its profit potential. He distills complex concepts into digestible nuggets, making AI less daunting and more exciting. So, can artificial intelligence boost your business profits? According to Smith, the answer is a resounding yes, but the key lies in understanding and harnessing its potential. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching.